Okay, this is a 2004 745i 7 series. I'm testing the alternator. I unplugged the negative terminal. The car's still running fine. So to actually test the alternator on this one, because it does have a bad alternator. So once you unplug the negative terminal, it's gonna give you this light right here. And right now I'm gonna step on the gas and you're gonna see the car go all crazy, and then it's telling me that the alternator is not, could not carry the right voltage to have this car running. See that when I step on the gas pedal, you can hear the car blink, or you can see the lights blinking. You can hear the car, me revving the engine, and then the car will just die because right now it's running off the alternator only. And the alternator cannot push enough power to run the to push through the transmission and the whole car. So right now the car's gonna die if I try to roll down the window. Okay, it didn't die, but it's gonna die right now eventually. So the brake thing, the transmission, everything will pop up. And then it's just indicating a bad transmission. A bad alternator. My bad, I'm out of it right now. It's on Christmas Eve, so excuse me for all the blubbering. But yeah, so that's indication of a bad alternator. It's not charging the battery at all.